Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on this laptop. To do that quickly, you can press the F10 button on your keyboard and then press it again to unlock your touchpad. The other way is to do it through the settings, and if you don't have the access to your physical touchpad, you can press Windows button, then press Tab, then use arrow keys to navigate and navigate to settings, press Enter, then press Tab and scroll down to Bluetooth and devices section using your arrow keys, then press Tab several more times until you hit the devices section, then use down arrow key to navigate to touchpad, press Enter, and to toggle it from here, use spacebar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.